good morning guys, this is the Vision Board 360 and bakit siya Vision Board? Based sa Vision, meron siya monitor, then sa board, counting board siya. Tapos yung 360 naman po is flexible siya. Then, ito yung keyboard niya. As you know, kung para sa keyboard yung tatay. Tapos yung counting board, nagsilbi siya down-pad po siya pero para siyang controller na may designated button lang.
Face recognition, verify the identity of scribe, ensuring that only authorized individuals can access and modify the item.
So yung face recognition po is silbi scanner na parang pag mali password, may face recognition lang needed.
Stylus pen, balancing of or moving, store or taken on the mounting board, simulation, iPad app, mounting, store or counting.
So yung naman pong stylus pen namin, siya yung silbi pen para dito sa counting board. Lang po.
Yun lang? Tapos na? Ay.
Okay. Just a notification, yung stylus pen, not all the tablets or gadgets is compatible with stylus pen. For example, there's an iPad is a stylus pen compatible. And for example, some of the phones right now, there's no stylus compatibility.
Good job. Thank you.